How many of you have ever looked in your closet and immediately felt defeated because you couldn't figure out what to wear? Probably all of us at some point, but we are going to fix that today. By the end of this video, you'll have some new strategies to build outfits using what you already have, and also some strategies to figure out where you might have some gaps in your closet that you might want to fill. If you watched the first video in this series, we talked about identifying pieces that you already have in your closet that you reach for again and again. So these would be your go-to items, your never fail. So that's your favorite t-shirts, jeans, etc. So I have done the same thing. I have pulled 7 items from my closet, and I'm going to use those as an examples to show you these strategies. In doing this, hopefully we'll shop smarter. It won't be more impulse buys, or maybe that'll work. We'll shop with more purpose. So the things that I pulled out of my closet is a white t-shirt, just a plain white t-shirt, a white button-up and a chambray button-up. Those are like t-shirts for me. Black pants, a pair of jeans, a sweater, and a cardigan, okay? Was that 7? Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 pieces. So starting with this first outfit, I'm pulling from that pile of 7 pieces that I pulled from my closet. I have the favorite t-shirt, I have my comfy jeans, sneakers, and hoodie sweatshirt. Nothing inherently wrong with this outfit on its own. It looks like a very typical me on the weekend. What I want to show here is a strategy to identify things you might be missing or want to add to your wardrobe in order to build more outfits. So in the next clip, I took away the hoodie sweatshirt and I added a trench coat. I also changed the sneakers for a pair of loafers. These items are not expensive that I switched out for. That trench coat that I'm wearing is under $100. It's from Quinn. It has stretch in it, so it is super comfortable, and if you're petite, it is incredibly petite friendly. But the point here is the basics are taken care of. You've got your comfortable t-shirt that you love and that you feel good in. You've got your jeans that you love and feel good in. By switching out that hoodie for a trench coat and then just a simple shoe switch to the loafers, makes this a whole new outfit. You can take that a step further, add a handbag, add a purse. Just by adding those 2 items or switching out those 2 items creates a whole new look and creates a whole new realm of possibilities for your basic jeans and a t-shirt. Okay, so in the next look, I've got the black pants that I pulled from my closet. I've got the same white t-shirt, and then I pulled the cardigan sweater that was also one of my go-tos. So all 3 of these pieces are from my pile of go-tos. Not inherently bad outfit, looks a little unbalanced, a little baggy, okay? But not terrible. What I wanna show you here is the difference in just a small change in the style of the pants, what a difference it makes in the entire outfit. So this would be a point of being open to different styles. We get so stuck in the same things that we don't necessarily contemplate changing the style of our pants or our jeans. So this is a great example of by simply changing the pant to a more fitted, this is a ponte pant, very stretchy, very comfortable, very affordable as well, but it completely changes the outfit, makes it look more polished, and you keep your same t-shirt, you keep your same cardigan that you love, you've got the loafers. It's just another example of small changes that make a big impact. The next one is an example of how to use pieces that you already have in new ways. So in this first look here, I have on a 2-piece, very much loungewear. Might wear this on the weekend to run errands or to the grocery store. You know, I've thrown on my puffer jacket and, you know, I'm off to do whatever it is, you know, you're running around to do on the weekend. Now we can go to the next clip, and I've paired it, I've taken the top from that set away. I've paired it with the button-up and the tan sweater from my 7 pieces that I love, and I've paired it with those very, very comfortable pants from this 2-piece set. kept the sneakers. I think it still looks fantastic with the sneakers, but it looks so much more polished and put together, and by that you're going to feel better. So I think this is a great way to experiment with using things that you already love, and you can't go wrong because all of these pieces are what you already have. And this is just an example, but it gets your mind open to using things that you already have in new ways. Okay, in the next clip, I have on the chambray shirt and jeans, both very comfortable pieces in my wardrobe. I've got sneakers on, you know, very casual, comfortable outfit, but I wanna show you what a few small changes can make in this outfit. This is another example of being open to a different cut or a different style of a pant than you're used to. So in this next clip, you're seeing the same color wash of the jeans. They're just in a different cut and a different style, but it makes all of the difference. Obviously, I've also tucked it in. I've added a belt. I've added some boots in the same color as the belt. But you probably have belts and boots and different shoes that you can, you know, experiment. And if not, perhaps this goes on your list as, you know, something you'd like to add. But if not, perhaps this goes on your list of a gap that you would like to fill in your closet. But it's just another great example of those small changes, big impact. Here's another two-piece lounge set example. By the way, this one's from Amazon. The black one that I showed earlier was also from Amazon, very reasonable and inexpensive. And I love these. I just want to show the possibilities with both of these other than wearing them as a set. So here is just a navy blue lounge set that you see. I've got my sneakers on. And in the next look, I just paired it with that chambray shirt. I threw the top to this set over my shoulders. You could also just layer that sweatshirt over on top of that button-up chambray shirt and it would look phenomenal. I love mixing tones or shades of the same color. I think it's so pretty. But again, just showing possibilities, using things you have in different ways, you know, learning to identify the gaps, you know, in your closet that you would like to fill in. Some things to always keep in mind when you're shopping for new things is one, comfort, versatility, does it fit your lifestyle? And I swear I will die on this hill, but it does not have to be expensive. All of the things that I shared in this video, all the different outfits and different pieces, all of them incredibly affordable and comfortable, and you know, obviously they work for my lifestyle since I have them, but try to keep these things in mind when you're shopping. And it's not about buying a whole new wardrobe, it's about using what you have and adding thoughtfully what's missing. So I would love to know what you guys would like to see for the third video in this series. And if you haven't watched the first video, go back and watch that. Watch this one and then let me know what you would like to see in the third video. Would you like more outfit ideas using things you already own? Are there specific topics or things you would like me to talk about in this last video about rethinking your wardrobe, rebuilding your wardrobe, using what you have, identifying missing pieces, whatever it is, let me know your thoughts and then I'll go through the comments and see if there's something that's a general theme, and I'll try to put together a good video for you for the last video in this series. But analyze your, we'll call them MVP pieces in your wardrobe, analyze what's missing, shop with a strategy, and build new combinations from what you already have. Those are the key takeaways. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Go back and watch the first video of the series if you haven't, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below. I'd love to hear from you always, and have a great week. Bye, everybody.